Hey you guys, today we're going to work on writing system of equations. Not so much solving just yet. I want you to be able to read a word problem and be able to write equations based off those word problems. So let's start at the beginning. Joey has a handful of dimes and quarters. There are 22 coins in all. The value of the coins is $3.55. We're going to ignore this. How many dimes does he have and how many quarters? We're not worried about solving just yet, like I said. So let's go through and highlight or circle anything that sounds important. So if Joey has a handful of dimes and quarters, knowing he has specifically dimes and quarters is good to know. I'm going to assign the variable D for dimes and Q for quarters. Let's keep going. There are 22 coins in all. 22 coins sounds pretty important. And anytime you hear the word in all, that's your total, or that's what everything is equal to. The value of the coins is $3.55. Okay, so we seem to highlight everything that's important and circled everything that we needed to. Let's start writing. So we know that we have some dimes and we know that we have some quarters. So if we add those two together, we have some dimes, we have some quarters, and if we add those two together, it says here that we have 22 coins in all. So however many dimes, however many quarters, all together we are not going to exceed 22 coins. This would be your first equation for your system of equations for this one. Okay, the next part says the value of the coins is $3.55. So we are not going to have any more than $3.55. And in order to get this, we have to add together however much dimes are worth and however much quarters are worth. Okay, this is simply adding the coins together. We need to add the worth in with it. Dimes are worth 10 cents. Quarters are worth 25 cents. So if we do 10 cents per dime plus 25 cents per quarter, that will get us the $3.55. And that right there is our system of equations, for this word problem. Let's go on to number 2. The number of calories in a mint is 3 times the number of calories in a stick of gum. There are 70 calories in 5 sticks of gum and 3 mints. How many calories are there in each stick of gum and mint? Again, we are not worried about this question. Okay, we're going to start by highlighting as we did before. The number of calories in a mint, we have mint, and I'm going to assign the variable M for mint, is 3 times, okay, times right there. That tells you that this is multiplication. And we're in high school, so we're going to use a dot. 3 times the number of calories in a stick of gum. We're worried about gum. I'm going to assign the variable G for gum. There are 70 calories in 5 sticks of gum and 3 mints. Okay, so we highlighted and circled everything that's important. Let's start writing. The number of calories in a mint is, right there, in a mint is, this right there tells you that it is M equals 3 times number of calories in a stick of gum. So 3 times each gum. There's your first equation. There are 70 calories in 5 sticks of gum and 3 mints. So there's your total calories, and it's however many calories in the gum times 5 sticks of gum plus however many calories are in the mints times 3 mints. There's your system of equations for that one. Okay. Here's the last one. A group of friends go out for lunch. If 2 order hot dogs and 4 order hamburgers, the bill will be $23.50. If 5 have hot dogs and only 1 has a hamburger, the bill will be $18.25. What is the cost of a hot dog or a hamburger? Again, cross this part out. Okay, what I want you to do on this third one is pause the video, work with your group, and see if you can come up with 2 equations that will fit this word problem. When you're ready, push play, and we will walk through how to solve it together. So a group of friends go out for lunch. If 2 order, let's see here, 2 seems pretty important. We have hot dogs. I'm going to assign the letter D variable for hot dogs. And 4 order hamburgers. I'm going to assign the variable H for hamburgers. The bill will be $23.50. If 5 have hot dogs and only 1 has a hamburger, we're gonna go like that. 5 have hot dogs, 1 has a hamburger, the bill will be $18.25. Okay, so everything that we need to know is highlighted or circled. Now we can start breaking it down. It usually works best if you go sentence by sentence. So if 2 ordered hot dogs, okay, well, 2 ordered hot dogs. So 2 people ordered hot dogs, and however much that hot dog costs, plus 4 that ordered the hamburgers, 4 order hamburgers, so 4 times however much the hamburger is worth. That total bill is going to come out to be $23.50. There's the first equation. If 5 have hot dogs and only 1 has a hamburger, so this time it's 5 times however much the hot dog is worth, plus 1 times however much the hamburger is worth. That total will come out to be $18.25. Oop, that is a really weird squiggly because it should only have 1 point, but that's okay. Anyway, there is the system of equations for this problem.